Hello everyone, this is Veronica Awad, and today we'll be talking about the poem Everyone Sang, written by the poet Siegfried Sassoon. I'll be reading the poem for you first, and then we'll be doing the explanation line by line. Let me read the poem for you first. Everyone suddenly burst out singing, and I was filled with such delight, as prisoned birds must find in freedom, winging wildly across the white. Orchards and dark green fields, on and out of sight. Everyone's voice was suddenly lifted, and beauty came like the setting sun. My heart was shaken with tears, and horror drifted away. Oh, but everyone was a bird, and the song was wordless. The singing will never be done. This is the poem written by Siegfried Sassoon. Before explaining you the poem, let me tell you about the poet. Siegfried Sassoon was born in the year 1886 and died in the year 1967. He served during the First World War as a captain. He was a soldier, but due to some injury, he could not take part in the World War I. So, he has written this poem as he hated the war. The destruction this war brought made him sad, and out of sadness, he has written this poem. He also wrote some moving poetry about the hardships and the tragedy that were faced by the soldiers and their family members, and this poem is one of them. It is a poem, it's an anti-war poem. The tone of the poem is sadness also and happiness. Sadness because it brought a lot of destruction, loss of soldiers, and sadness to their family members, and happiness because it came out victoriously. The World War I was over, and now the soldiers were rejoicing. So this poem's tone is both sad and happiness. Let us see the poem line by line. Everyone suddenly burst out singing, and I was filled with such delight. The poet says here that the war has ended now, and the end of this war has spread a great joy and happiness among the people here. Everyone here stands specially for the soldiers who were fighting in the war. So he says here that the war has ended now, and this end of the war has brought, or you can say it had spread a lot of joy and happiness among the soldiers. Everywhere happiness is being spread. And I was also filled with very much delight. As prisoned birds must find in freedom, winging wildly across the white orchards and dark green fields, on and out of sight. The poet compares his joy with those birds that were imprisoned, and now they have been set free. They are out of their cages, and now they are flying wildly wherever they wish to. There is no bondage. Nobody is asking them to do anything. And they are winging wildly across the wild orchards. They are flying wildly in the sky, in the white orchards, and over the dark green fields, over and over, and they flew and now they are out of sight. The war is over and it has been taken as a prison, and when it ends, it gives freedom and delight to everyone. Everyone's voice was suddenly lifted, and beauty came like the setting sun. Here the poet says that every soldier is happy. They are singing because the war is over. Now no more fights, no more killings, and no more deaths. So they are rejoicing. And beauty, this beauty is looking like as if the beauty of the setting sun. My heart was shaken with tears and horror. The poet says here that my heart was shaken. I was frightened. I could not understand when this war is going to be ended and how much destruction this war is going to bring. But this horror has now drifted away. This horror thought has now drifted away. This ugliness of the war has now ended. Oh, but everyone was a bird. It seems as if everyone was a bird. Again, the poet says that it was just like a bird in the cage. And the song was wordless. Wordless means, the song here means the rejoicing, the happiness of the soldiers was wordless. It cannot be expressed, and the singing will never be done. This rejoicing can never be felt again. This song may be wordless, but it is felt by every soldier, and it will never be felt by anybody else again. The poet expresses his joy by saying that this kind of joy will never be felt again because they made it through the war alive. The theme of the poem is the end of the war. Here, the poet first of all is very happy, and then he expresses how the soldiers are showing their happiness, how happy they are after the end of the war. This was the poem. I will read out the poem once again so that you can understand the explanation thoroughly. Everyone suddenly burst out singing, and I was filled with such delight, as prisoned birds must find in freedom, winging wildly across the white orchards and dark green fields, on and out of sight. Everyone's voice was suddenly lifted, and beauty came like the setting sun. My heart was shaken with tears and horror, drifted away. Oh, but everyone was a bird, and the song was wordless. The singing will never be done. This was the poem Everyone Sang by Siegfried Sassoon. Hope you would have understood. Thank you so much.